Ito yung Kaiser na 3-in-1 investment. Una, ito ay long-term healthcare kasi kapag tayo ay tumanda na or retired na, kailangan natin ng healthcare and how comfortable your healthcare situation will be after you turn age 60. Depends on the decision you'll make today. Kaya importante kahit may short-term healthcare tayo ngayon, dapat may long-term healthcare din tayo. Ikalawa, income protection or life insurance. Ito naman yung magiging income replacement natin in case na may mangyari sa ating mga breadwinner. May marireceive na instant money ang pamilya para protection nila in case may mangyari sa atin. Ikatlo, investment. Ito naman yung kapag tayo ay nag-retire na, kapag humaba ang buhay natin, may income pa rin tayo. Kasi meron itong investment. To know more, comment ka lang.